Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can rotate text in Google Sheets. So this is really quick and easy. What you will have to do first is, of course, open your Google spreadsheet, and now that you're here, you will select the cell or text that you want to rotate. Then you will highlight it, and next you will find the text rotation tool, and on your toolbar, you will select this text rotation icon right here. So what you will do is click that, and now you could either choose a rotation style. You could choose tilt up, you could choose this one, tilt down, and then stack vertically, rotate up, or rotate down, or which is done. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And by the way, you could also use custom angle. So for example, 90 degrees angle, 75, 60. So it really depends on you, honestly. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And also you could adjust row height, and rotated text may need extra space. So you will just have to drag the row height to fit. And that's how you rotate text in Google Sheets. And I hope this video helped. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.